everyone, welcome to Saucy Cat. My name's Zoe, and last week I made some Zaru Soba, which, don't get me wrong, I loved it, but it is definitely a summer dish, and here in South Dakota, it's still cold. So let's warm up with this super easy take soba. Let's get into it. Just like our cold soba, we're gonna start with dashi. You can do what I did and use this packet of vegan dashi powder, or you can click the link in the description to make your own. In a small pot goes 1 cup of dashi. To that, we'll add some mirin and soy sauce. Finally, dilute the broth with some water and bring to a simmer. This is pretty much identical to our cold soba sauce, only for hot soba, we're adding the water now and keeping the broth hot. Simmer the broth for 5 to 10 minutes while we fix up our other ingredients. I'm going simple again with the toppings by slicing up some green onion and nori seaweed and chopping up a handful of spinach. Onto our soba noodles, which I made from scratch in a previous episode. Bring a pot of water to boil and gradually add the noodles. Boil for about 2 minutes before straining out the water and rinsing the noodles in cold water. Add the noodles to a serving bowl and ladle in our broth. Decorate it with our green onion, nori, and spinach. And for a little excitement, I'm going to sprinkle on a tiny bit of chili powder. With our bowl ready to go, I think it's time to serve this dish. This already smells amazing. Now, it's understandable that this would taste very similar to our cold soba, but just the fact that everything is hot and in a nice warm bowl makes it a completely different experience and a completely different vibe. Well, that does it for today. I hope you enjoyed this 3-part soba series. Thanks so much for watching. Like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you next time on Saucy Cat. Are you still recording? Yes, you are.